It's getting closer to midnight.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. If you are new around here, I would just love to welcome you to my channel. My name is Missy. We do a lot of cooking and cleaning over here, so if you're into that kind of thing, I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. I wanted to let you guys know that this week's What's for Dinner is real life. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat when my kids are at their dad's house, when I'm solo by myself, something that's quick and easy that I just want to get dinner on the table because I'm exhausted from the day. So if you're into that kind of thing as well, then stay tuned because I'm going to share with you a bunch of real life recipes, not even recipes. Let's be honest, I'm going to share with you guys some dinners, just food, okay? Anyways, let's hop into today's What's for Dinner. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I just want to welcome you back. Thank you so very much for being here and being a part of my family. It means so very much to me. So let's go ahead and hop into today's What's for Dinner.
It's worth taking it. It's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you.
So the first thing that we are going to be making is some good old simple spaghetti. If you guys are an oldie but a goodie, you will know that I absolutely love the Pioneer Woman garden vegetable spaghetti sauce, but it is so hard to find because you guys are buying it up because it is so good. But I'm gonna show you guys kind of how to make it at home when you can't find it, and if that's your favorite as well, or even if you haven't tried it, I'm gonna show you a way to kind of zazz up your spaghetti. So what I'm doing is I'm just browning some ground beef, and I'm on FaceTime with Jameson. If you don't know, Jameson is my fiance. He does travel for work, so FaceTiming is how we connect. So I am just cutting up some green pepper, some red pepper, and a yellow pepper. I also learned how to chop up a pepper from Jameson, who learned it from Gordon Ramsay. Just a little fun fact there for you. Anyways, so I'm just going to brown up some ground beef. I'm going to add in my peppers and let that cook with the meat just so they get nice and soft. And then I'm going to add in some garlic and onion powder as well, probably just about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of garlic and onion powder, just to give that meat and those peppers some flavor. I also wanted to share these cheese breadsticks with you guys. These are so good. I find them at Walmart and they are so affordable. So this is the sauce that I picked up. It's the Prego 3 cheese. I am going to use 2 jars of this, and this is just one of my other favorite spaghetti sauces from the store. You can use whatever sauce you want to and kind of just zazz it up with some peppers. Once this is all nice and warm, I'm also going to add some more garlic and onion powder to the sauce just to give it a little bit more flavor. So this is what dinner looked like this night, you guys. Something just quick and easy to just throw together whenever you're an exhausted mom. I totally get it. We're just trying to feed our families and make sure that we're not feeding them a bunch of junk. So on this night, Jameson was home and he decided to grill some pork chops on the grill, but he doesn't know how this whole YouTube game works, and he totally did not film or let me know he was seasoning them so I could show y'all what he did to them. But here I'm just going to be making some side dishes. I will make sure that he shows next time. I'm just going to be making some side dishes, some mashed potatoes, some brown gravy, macaroni and cheese, and then I'm going to share with you guys our new favorite vegetable that we have been having. So this is seasoned Italian green beans, and you guys, this has been a new favorite vegetable for us and our family. Also, I'm obsessed with this can opener. I've mentioned it before, but I have it linked to my Amazon store, and it is like the most amazing can opener of life. I don't know how I've lived without it. Anyways, back to the vegetables. I am going to be, or I already did put some minced garlic in the bottom of that, and then I'm just going to place the pan of Italian green beans into the pan, and then I'm also taking some bacon that we had fried up so we could have some more bacon grease, because we're in the South and you know bacon grease goes in everything. So anyways, I'm just taking some bacon and adding it to that, and then this is what dinner looked like that night. It was so delicious. I love when Jameson grills. The way he seasons things and the way he cooks it is just amazing. So I promise I'm going to make him film and make sure to get it on camera next time. The next night, we are having pigs in a blanket, hot dogs wrapped in a crescent roll, baked, and then we're going to have some macaroni and cheese and some carrots, and then we're going to call it dinner because I was exhausted from this day. I had a lot going on, and I just needed to get dinner on the table. Like I've said in this video already, y'all, we are exhausted. As moms, I feel like we don't get enough credit even for just mental exhaustion that we go through throughout the day of just having kids and worrying about our kids, no matter what their age is. A mom's job is never ever done. And so I just needed to get dinner on the table, and I'm totally not taking away from dads, so nobody come for me and say anything about dads. Sometimes us mom needs a little bit of credit too without giving dads credit as well. So if you're killing the mom game, this is a shout out to you. No matter what you made for dinner, at least you got food on the table. So all you do, if you don't know what pigs in a blanket are, it's just hot dogs wrapped up in crescent rolls, and then you just follow the crescent roll baking guide on the back of the crescent rolls. And so I just served that with macaroni and cheese and carrots like I said, and then we called that dinner.
Can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess.
This recipe is Boston's absolute favorite dinner of all time. He requests this so much, and I haven't made it in so long, and he was so excited. So all you're gonna do is take a family pack of thin pork chops. If you don't have a bigger family, then you can cut this recipe in half. I'm going to use 2 cans of cream of potato soup, 2 cans of broccoli and cheese, and 2 cans of cream of celery. Now you guys, if you do not like either or any of those types of cream of or soups, you can change it up. I've used cream of mushroom before. You can use cream of chicken if you like. You can use anything you want to. These are so easy and so good. You're just gonna put this in the crock pot on high for 4 hours or on low for 8 hours. I also did spray my crock pot with some cooking spray just so it doesn't stick. I used to use the crock pot liners. If you've been here for a while, I used to swear by those. But what I have come to find out is that if I use cooking spray in my crock pot, it works just as well, if not better, because you're not having to buy liners, you're cutting down on cost, and let's be honest, we're cutting down on the use of plastic, which people came for me for. So anyways, some of y'all will be happy to know that I don't use crock pot liners anymore. And then you're just going to stir that all together, and like I said, you're going to cook it on low for 4 hours, high for 4 hours, low for 8 hours. We just served this with mashed potatoes. It makes an amazing gravy to go over your mashed potatoes, and then we just had some Italian style green beans on the side for our vegetable, and that was dinner. People will think that you spent hours on this when it's literally that easy. And this is some real life for you guys. Literally, we had Salisbury steak, Stouffer's Salisbury steak for dinner this night, and we just served that with some mashed potatoes and gravy and some more Italian style green beans. And guess what? We had dinner and it was delicious. Now, these next 2 nights that I'm going to show you, I did not have the kids home with me. Jameson wasn't home. It was just me solo by myself. So I just had some leftover steak and a salad that we had in the refrigerator, because when the kids are gone, I don't like to obviously cook or anything major. I feel like it's just a waste. So I just had leftovers on that night, and then the next night I had a good old peanut butter sandwich, and that's my real life for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's What's for Dinner. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will talk to you guys later. Let me know down below what is something that is on your meal plan this week. Let me know something that you have cooked recently that you love. Just go leave me some comments down below so I can chat with you guys. Hope you guys have an amazing Sunday or start to your week. Remember that you're amazing and you can do absolutely anything you set your mind to. No matter what anybody tells you, I'm here to tell you that you're amazing and you can do it. I love you guys so very much. Thank you for being so sweet and amazing to not only me, but to my family. It means more than you will ever know. Have a fabulous rest of your day.